Next, let's learn all about how to record a show or series and watch it at a later date. There's a couple different ways to record a TV show or a series. The first is by using your guide. Let's now go to the guide and find a TV show that you would like to record. We're going to hold the OK button for at least 2 seconds. This additional menu will pop up, and in it you will see a couple different options. The first is View Channel, which will take you directly to the channel. Play, which will play the current show you've selected. Record, which is what we're wanting to do, and Add to Favorites. And we'll discuss that at a later date. First, let's learn how to record. Go ahead and select the record option. Now once you select that, you will have the option to either record the entire series or just the one episode. You will do so by checking that box. You can choose to keep however many episodes you want, 1 and etc. And you can choose whether you want to record only new episodes or new episodes and reruns. Once you have the selection options that you want, you will scroll down and click OK. And then OK again. And now you are recording that show and/or series. Now the second option, if you do not want to record in the guide, but rather while you're watching TV live, you can do so. You simply have to open up the taskbar and then select record, and then go through the same option selection as you did before for recording a show, and then just select OK. Now to review your recordings, you will go to the main menu in your SFN app and scroll down the sidebar to the DVR recordings option. Now this top bar will show you the series that you've chosen to record. This next one will show you just your latest recordings, and below that will show you all the series episodes that you have recorded. Now you may select one of these recordings and then have a couple different options. The first is to simply play the recording. The second is to delete the recording. The next is to modify this specific recording. After that, it is cancel the series if you don't want to record the series anymore. And finally, you can also modify the series recording. Now in the modify series option specifically, you can choose to keep however many episodes you want, whether that's all or select few. And you can choose to change the recording options from new and reruns to just new. Whichever you like, you would simply make that selection and then select OK to make the change. This concludes how to record and watch your recordings of shows and TV shows with the SFN TV NOW app.